few years ago, if you wanted a high-paying tech career, like you usually needed a technical degree, a computer science background, or years of coding experience. Today, that rule is starting to break across America. Companies are hiring people for AI-related roles that have little to do with traditional programming. Some of these positions pay more than many corporate jobs. Some didn't even exist a few years ago. And the most surprising part, many people still don't know their real careers. For decades, the path was simple. Get a degree, get a job, climb the ladder. That's how millions of Americans built careers. But technology rarely follows old rules forever. Every major shift creates new opportunities. The internet did, smartphones did, and now AI is doing the same thing. Companies aren't only looking for coders anymore. They're looking for people who can solve problems, understand systems, and create results. That's where things start getting interesting. Imagine getting paid to teach artificial intelligence how humans actually think. AI doesn't magically become intelligent. It learns through massive amounts of feedback. That's why AI trainers have become increasingly valuable. Their job isn't writing complex software. Their job is helping AI systems become more accurate, more useful, and more aligned with real-world expectations. Without human guidance, even the smartest AI systems make costly mistakes. One sentence can completely change what an AI system produces. Most people underestimate this. Businesses discovered that the quality of instructions often determines the quality of results. That's why prompt engineers emerged. Their role isn't building AI, it's communicating with AI effectively. The difference between an average prompt and a great prompt can mean better marketing, better research, better business decisions, and companies are willing to pay for that advantage. Many executives want AI, but they have no idea where to begin. That's creating demand for a different type of professional. AI consultants help businesses understand where AI fits, which tools make sense, which investments are worth making, and which mistakes should be avoided. The value isn't technical expertise alone. The value is helping companies move faster without wasting money. And in today's economy, that skill is becoming increasingly valuable. Some of the highest paid people in AI aren't creating technology. They're removing inefficiency. Every company has repetitive work, reports, scheduling, customer communication, a data management automation specialists identify these bottlenecks, then build systems that save time and reduce costs. When a business saves hundreds of hours every month, the impact becomes impossible to ignore. High salaries usually have very little to do with job titles. Companies don't pay for titles, they pay for outcomes. If someone can increase productivity, reduce expenses or improve performance, their value rises quickly. That's exactly what's happening in many AI-related careers. Businesses are paying for results, not buzzwords, and that's why these roles continue attracting attention. Here's something most people get wrong. Companies aren't desperately searching for AI experts. They're searching for people who can create value, someone who understands business problems, someone who can think critically, someone who can adapt. Technology changes every year. The ability to solve problems remains valuable in every economy, and that's often what separates successful professionals from everyone else. The AI industry isn't slowing down, it's expanding. More businesses are adopting AI, more tools are entering the market, more industries are experimenting with automation. As adoption grows, new roles continue appearing, and history shows the same pattern again and again. Whenever a major technology becomes mainstream, new career paths emerge around it. That's exactly what America is witnessing today. The biggest opportunity may not be a specific AI job. It may be understanding the shift itself. Because every technological revolution creates a small group of early adopters, people who recognize change before it becomes obvious. The goal isn't chasing every trend. The goal is recognizing where the world is moving and positioning yourself accordingly. That's where long-term advantages often begin. A few years ago, many of these careers sounded impossible. And today they're real. Tomorrow there will likely be even more roles we can't yet predict. Because innovation doesn't eliminate opportunity, it transforms it. And the people paying attention to those transformations often find themselves ahead of the curve. Subscribe to Future Flow AI for more videos on AI technology, future careers, and emerging opportunities in America. Because the next big shift usually starts long before everyone notices it. Come on,